What shall we sacrifice if the world still cries? What shall we sacrifice so children may sleep tonight? We forgot the human heart. Too many names for enemies, too many worlds apart. The screens are always shouting, the cities never sleep, but somewhere a mother for her child to live in peace. السلام يبدأ من القلب، والرحمة نور الطريق. What shall we sacrifice? Hatred, anger, pride. What shall we sacrifice? One human family. If we sacrifice the darkness, maybe the children will see peace. Na nafrat ki diwarein, na khun se rang zameen, hum saath chalna seekhen, yahi hai human. What shall we sacrifice? Not another child, not another dream. What shall we sacrifice? Let it be hatred. What shall we sacrifice? Let it be violence. Let it be the walls between us. Oh, one earth, one sky, one human family, and let the children inherit